If Steam's file verification halts at 0, 1, 98 or 99%, then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Gaming is a great stress reliever and a rigorous mental activity. When we open a game after a stressful day and the game files fail to load or verify, it can be a daunting experience. All we need is for the game to install and load properly and for us to be able to play for some time. If you are experiencing similar issues on your PC where the verified game files are stuck at 0, 1, 98 or 99% and take forever to initiate the game, this video is for you. Follow the steps we show here to resolve the issue quickly and get back to your gaming. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your internet connection. To download, verify and install games on Steam or other gaming clients, we need a stable internet connection. If the internet connection is unstable, randomly disconnects or has low speeds, the process takes forever and feels stuck. You need to check if the internet connection is working fine by running a speed test and fix the internet connection issues to continue gaming. To run a speed test, you can visit speedtest.net or testmy.net and check the internet speed. Method 2. Clear the cache and relaunch your gaming client. The cache or download cache for the gaming client on your PC might be causing issues. The files could be corrupted or there might be other issues with the cache. When you clear the cache, the gaming client or launcher creates a fresh cache, making it easy to verify game files' integrity. Here is how to do so. Right-click the game in your Steam library, select Properties, go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. To clear the download cache on Steam, click the Steam icon and select Settings. Select the Downloads tab. Click Clear Cache beside Clear Download Cache. Click Confirm in the Clear Download Cache prompt that appears. You will be logged out of Steam now. Log in again using your credentials. Your issue should be resolved now. To clear the cache on the Epic Games Launcher on Windows PC, open the Run utility by pressing Windows plus R keys. Type this in the Run command box and press Enter. Navigate to the Epic Games Launcher and go to Save. Now delete all folders named Web Cache. Method 3. Repair the installation folder on Steam. If any files are in the installation or downloads folder on Steam, you may see verification stuck for longer. We can repair the installation folder and resolve many issues, including game file verification. To repair the installation folder on Steam, open the Settings and select the Storage tab. Then, click on the three-dot icon beside the installation folder and select Repair. Wait for the process to complete and see if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Disable antivirus temporarily. The antivirus's real-time protection on your PC may be interfering with the verification of the game files. When you are trying to install a game and launch it on your game client, you have to disable the antivirus temporarily until the process is completely done, so as not to run into any issues. You can open the antivirus program on your PC, disable it, and then verify the game files. If you only use Windows Security, open Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection. Then click Manage Settings. Under Real-Time Protection, toggle the button to turn it off. Confirm it in the prompt that appears. After successfully verifying the game files, remember to enable antivirus or real-time protection to protect your PC from threats. Method 5. Change download region. When game files are too large and the region where they are downloaded for installation, the game file verification takes forever and appears to be stuck midway. The only way to resolve this is to move to a region that is closer to you geographically. It will enable faster download and verification of game files than in a faraway region. To change the download region in Steam, open Settings in the Steam launcher, then click Downloads. Click the drop-down next to Download region. Then select a location closer to you. If you choose another country, Steam may ask you to make an additional payment to unlock the region, as licenses and permissions differ for each country. Method 6. Reinstall your gaming client. If the above methods did not resolve verification issues with game files on your PC, uninstall the game or launcher you were having trouble with. After successful uninstallation, reinstall it from the official or trusted sources, such as the official website or the Microsoft Store. Then sign in with your credentials and continue with your gaming session without any issues. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.